How to check email ID on your Amazon account. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. But before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. It's very quick and simple. So first you open the Amazon app. Once you open the app, you'll find multiple options, but you have to click on the menu option here on the bottom right. Once you click on that, click on account. Once you click on account, here you will find multiple options, but you have to click on login and securities. Once you click on that, here you will find an email option. Currently I have not added any email option but in my email address, but here automatically it will show the email ID that is currently being used on your Amazon account. If this video helped on how to check your email ID on your Amazon account, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.